Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about sizzle reels. Once you start getting media, and you can do this with print and television and podcasts and radios, you want to put them together in a reel to show your expertise. You can put the cover of the magazine and then pull out your quote. If you're on TV, of course, show yourself on television. Take a snippet out. And as you get more and more media, you want to keep adding to that and put your sizzle reel everywhere. It definitely needs to be on your website. You can drive press to it so they can see, hey, wow, you really are an expert in your industry. Pin it on your Facebook, on your Twitter, put it on your Pinterest, make it a TikTok video, wherever you are. Definitely put it on your LinkedIn in your actual profile. It just really elevates your credibility, and it makes it really easy for the media to give you a yes. So that is this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. If you haven't gotten our free blueprint yet, go to captivateandcashin.com/blueprint, and it will give you all kinds of tips of how to land in the media, so you can land in the media and then do your sizzle reel. So check that out and share any success with you. I love to share it with my tribe, and I cannot wait to see you in the media.